in Alexander City. This is where one of the largest man-made lakes are located. It's northern Alabama. It's very, very nice, small town feel. Made it out here, and this is the aircraft. It is a Avanti II. If you notice, the engines are facing the back. Going to be taking care of this aircraft all the way around. And first things first, going to go to the interior of this thing, try to get all this stuff cleaned up. And also, this leather that's in here is beautiful, but it needs to be taken care of. So very, very gorgeous Italian styling. Have the gold, have this beautiful leather. This is the only aircraft that's featured on the channel that has this type of leather. Most aircraft have, I guess you want to say, they have tan leather, cream leather. This right here is just beautiful, you know, beautiful, beautiful. So let me walk around here and show you the front of this thing. But as you can see, it's nasty. It needs some love. It needs some attention. And that's exactly what's going to happen today. It's an awesome plane. This is actually the fastest. This is the fastest twin turboprop airplane in the world. This is it right here. There's nothing faster than this aircraft that you see right here. And what's wild is that they made only 100 or so of these aircraft worldwide ever. So to put hands on this, right, you know, to actually be here and have the pleasure of working on this, it's amazing. Now let me go ahead and get everything unloaded. Let me get this stuff set up. There's a lot of work to be done. As you can see, this thing is dirty. It needs some love. It needs to be washed, needs to be cleaned. And it's going to take quite a bit of work, but I'm going to take y'all around this entire plane, and then I'm going to take y'all along for the ride of the transformation of this beautiful, beautiful Avanti. So let me see here. All right, before I do that though, I want you to see this. Okay, that's the serial number, right there. You go. So Paggio Aero Industries, Senoia, Italy. P180 Avanti II. It's an awesome, awesome plane. So, all right. So give me just a few minutes. At least I'm in a hangar. Gonna set up a fan and whatnot because it's gonna get hot today. Let's get straight into this, everybody. Let's go. All right, everyone, wrapped up for tonight. And as you can see, this Avanti is absolutely gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. You can just see that. I'm gonna come back in the morning and load all this stuff up and show y'all video and everything tomorrow in the daylight. Getting ready to head over to this fire truck, but letting you see what this thing looks like. Looks absolutely gorgeous. Looks beautiful. Looks gorgeous, as you can see. Gonna take you all the way around this thing. Got a mix of natural sunlight and also some LEDs in here, as you can see. This turned out really good. Excellent. All right. So let me walk over here. Gotta turn these lights off.